Hadrian's Walnut Bread from the Bureau Home Recipes book, 1956, 19th edition. For this recipe I'm using 1.5 pounds of Bureau flour, 1.25 teaspoonfuls of salt, 1.5 ounces of Trex, that's Crisco, 5 ounces of sugar, 6 ounces of walnuts, 5 ounces of mixed fruit, 3/4 of a pint of milk, and 2 medium eggs, and a 9 inches by 2.5 inches baking thing. Mix the flour and salt in a basin. That's a basin, not a buffalo. Now rubbing the Trex. Chop the walnuts and mix with the flour. And add the mixed fruit. It's supposed to be raisins, but I haven't got any, except what's in here. Beat the eggs and milk in a bowl. You could beat them on the table, but that would be messy, and it's already messy enough. Now is the time to put your Beethoven record on. Add the sugar and mix. You're supposed to put the sugar in with the raisins, but I forgot. Mixed fruit. Now add the milk. Ew. And mix to a softer dough. I think there might have been some Martian seeds in there. The ice Robbie is following soon. Empty your dough. When it's all mixed, empty your dough into your baking, whatever they called. Then smooth top over. Bake in a moderately hot oven at gas mark 5, 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius conventional oven, 170 degrees Celsius convection oven, fan oven for an hour and a quarter. That's 75 minutes Eastern Standard Time. Check after an hour to see if it's ready. Appears to be. I think so. I'll just try the slice and it is gorgeous. Beautiful.
Service to Edinburgh. Forward Berwick-upon-Tweed and Edinburgh. This train has 9 coaches. This train has on-board catering available. First class accommodation can be found in zones 4 to 2. Standard class in zones 10 to 5.